pretty locked up at the moment?
Yeah, pretty much everything from here down.
Yep.
I've been having a lot of troubles with my left hip. I think I spoke to you last time about my hammy. It's actually got to the stage where I've got like no internal rotation, and I feel like I can't like release or crack it off.
Okay.
Anytime I'm doing anything like lifting wise, I'm starting to get like a lot of pressure through this part as well.
Yeah.
I think it's just because I've only seen you like once since April, is it?
Yeah. No, we gotta get on top of that. And so let's check out that left. So left hammy, left glute, that just feels off at the moment.
Just like really, really bad, yeah.
And that rotation, you said internal rotation of the hip?
Yeah, pretty much nothing. Especially when I'm lying on my back, and I can feel it in like the bottom of the squat.
The bad one. Okay, so straight away you notice the difference
Yeah,
there.
right in there.
Yeah. Soft tissue wise, have you got any massage or any?
Nah, booked in with Adam for next week.
Okay. How's the pain that way? Not as bad?
Okay, yeah.
It's just that internal rotation.
Yeah. I can just feel as like stuff, you know how I'm always like shifted one way, as it starts to shift, it just has been like carrying on down the chain. Like,
let me just release the hip first, and then we'll see what's going on in the lower back. Oh, that released nicely. Grip and rip.
Yeah.
Is what we call it. Oh, that was solid. Release that hip flexor too. So one of the most hated muscle releases in the world. The size.
Every time.
Yeah.
You're a little bit nicer than Gavin.
The massage therapist, yeah.
Yeah.
Just check that rotation again. So it improves, but yeah, we still need to work on
Pain's
that.
still there,
Yeah.
The external now, I do feel it a bit.
With the external?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
right in
Yeah.
kind of the back of the capsule.
Yeah, a lot of it is around that hip capsule. And it's all connected as well, like the lower back through to the neck. If one area is playing up, it can affect the other area over time as well. Do a loud adjustment first. Breathing in and breathing out. Oh wow, needed that. Okay, breathing in and breathing out. Yes. Nice. Breathing in, come back and breathing out. Good, excellent. Breathing in and out. Okay, good. And relax your arms for me. I'll do the rotate you to the left and then to the right. Good, and left again. Okay, arch back for me. Good, and forward. Squeeze as hard as you can. Try and crush my fist. Good, and push out. Oh, it already popped.
That was the weirdest one.
Squeeze and you get, yeah, good. It popped the first time.
Yeah.
But obviously that's all connected with you. You've got your sacroiliac joints in the back, you've got your pubic symphysis in the front, that's what connects the iliums to the sacrum, and if there's restriction in the front, it can then affect the lower part of your back.
Yeah.
Alright, awesome. Was there anything else we needed to adjust?
No, I'm good, thank you.
No worries.
Cheers.
All good.